the printers at Amazon changed the spine so that they could fill it with their satanic pictures. How many more books are like this? How many more books have you put satanic stuff through the books? What's next? Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm going to be calling out people on this video. You know, normally I call out people, people that bring false allegations against me or try and attack me, and I'll call them out. And I've been attacked by a lot of people this year. And my mom wrote a book, okay? And this will shock you when you hear what happened. And I'm speechless. I don't know how to deal with this. I don't know how to attack the person that did it and put it right, because this is actually Amazon. Not just going after me, but now going after my family. My mom wrote a book. I published this for my mom. It's a Christian book. This is a Christian book. I talked about this before on Amazon. I talked about this when I spoke about how I was getting attacked by the media and how like Joe Lycett and these clowns on Channel 4 and were going after me, but going after my faith. Taking the mickey out of my Christian faith, taking the mickey out of my gospel music, and trying to make me feel ashamed for just being who I am. I did a video about this, and I actually talked about my mom's book that I published. Me and my team designed the cover, we designed the spine, we published this book. And the video got a lot of hate. A lot of love as well, but a lot of hate. Now, you'd expect Amazon to be neutral. You'd expect the printers at Amazon to be neutral. But it's crazy that some people aren't. It's the attacks that I have had just for being a successful property investor and teaching people about property and being unashamed and not afraid to be liked or disliked, talking openly about what I think, what I believe politically, my faith. I don't know why people have got it so bad in for me, but this book, these are the chapters. It's not controversial at all. I mean, these are the chapter headings, out of darkness. The Bible, can I trust the Bible? Okay, Christian book. One life, make it count. Knowing God's will, opposition to our faith, standing firm. It's a nice, light Christian book that I published. I designed the spine, and then one copy came with a bigger spine. Okay, my mom ordered 10 books to give to some friends. And she ordered 10 books and they all came normal spine. One came big spine, thick spine. My mom's like, oh, that's my mom on the back of the book. My mom's like, what's up with this book? And I'm getting attacked by everybody meanwhile. Not just people, but companies, snidey, very strange attacks. And then, lo and behold, my mom skips through the book. And this book is different because this book is just a normal book, nice and light. Nice book. This book, the printers at Amazon changed the spine so that they could fill it with their satanic pictures. Look at this. And I wouldn't be showing you on YouTube if Amazon responded and told me why it happened, but Amazon have got nothing to say apart from it was a mistake. This is absolutely vile. My mom was horrified. I mean, honestly, if you want to go after me or my business or whatever, fine. But this is disgusting. Demonic, Satan's, Jesus, in horrible light. Pictures of skulls. Inside my mum's book. I published this book. Look at it goes on, and then back to the normal book. They inserted that inside the book. That Amazon was not a mistake. This was somebody. Somebody did this. The printer doesn't accidentally put this in my Christian book and then make the spine bigger. You know how many times I had to keep adjusting the spine because Amazon said it needs to be the right amount of spine so that it fits the book. Clearly it doesn't. They just make it bigger and stick demonic stuff in it. Amazon, you should be ashamed. And Amazon, when I reach out to you, my mom reached out to you and said, how did it happen? What's going on? All they said is, it was a mistake. We can refund the book. How many more books are like this? How many more books have you put satanic stuff through the books? What's next? Amazon. Amazon have made so much money over the last 6 months. Jeff Bezos has made more over the pandemic than Warren Buffett's made in his entire life. They're a big company. And to be doing this sort of stuff, getting hate and horrible messages and stuff off of trolls online is one thing, but this is just ridiculous. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. What the heck is going on? But let me tell you this, Amazon or whoever's did this, the printers that work for Amazon, who should be fired, let me tell you something. You know, if this was an attack on me, or if you're trying to get to me or get to my family or whatever, which people do, I'm just gonna say, I'm not stopping. I'm gonna continue making money in property. I'm gonna continue talking about it. I'm gonna continue helping people become financially free every single week. I'm gonna continue not caring about whether I'm liked or disliked. I'm gonna continue talking about what I believe about the government politically. I'm gonna continue being an unashamed Christian. I don't care. This is pathetic. It's sick, it's wrong, it's disgusting, and I would expect better from Amazon. And Amazon, you had your chance to respond and put this right, but you didn't. And I am speechless. I don't know what to say. Get off my back. Like, serious. I'm just a legitimate businessman doing my thing, helping people. No issues, no problems. That's just wrong. So anyway, sorry to lower the tone on a Saturday night. I was just so shocked, I felt like I had to do a video. Tomorrow I'm doing a video, a Q&A Sunday, where I'm teaching property, answering your property investment questions. You're gonna keep getting successful. I'm gonna keep enjoying it. And this horrible satanic attacks, I'm getting this from all angles, all places, hard. But I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing.